you saw there, the crankshaft bearing did spin on that first cylinder. The piston that was really bad, this one, as you can see. So gonna polish up the inner rod now. That one wasn't too bad, little things here. So that one's able to get polished up. And the bearings, they are toast. There's no way we're gonna reuse these. They're wear items. They're meant to be changed out, but I wanted to polish up the crank and then the piston bore, or the rod, and then get measurements on the opening of this, of the rod, and then the diameter of this, because me sanding it did take off probably just very minuscule amounts. So then this way I can order the correct size bearing that I need, like thickness wise, as I drop it. But that one's garbage. But I still need to order 2 new pistons. So I'm gonna measure those, order the pistons, order the rings for them. But I think when I order the pistons, it's gonna come with all new 6. So we're just gonna put all new pistons, all new rings. So I'm going to undo, which one was the other busted one? It was this one, right? It was this one. So let me undo this cap just to check this one, and I will be right back. Good news. If it did spin, it was very minimal, because it was almost in the exact same spot. So yeah, because this lower part is a little heated, but nothing too bad. So a little polishing there as I drop the other half of the bearing down. So just took out this piston. As you can see, started to wear out a little bit. Is it me, or I don't think it's bent. Doesn't look bent. And yeah, just comment down below if you want it, and then we'll go from there. And if you don't want it, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with it. I'll probably just keep it on my shelf. So anyways, I will catch you guys later. Bye. Alright, so as you can see, this bearing race is actually pretty clean for this piston. The bearings from it aren't too bad. I might just get new ones just because I'm in there. For sure that first piston needs new bearings, but like I said, I got to polish up the rod for this piston before measuring and everything, and then ordering the new bearings. But as far as the pistons go, I don't know, maybe I'll send them out to 2 of you guys. So if anyone wants one of the pistons for like a paperweight or desk decoration or something, or I don't know, make it a Christmas ornament. That'll be a funny Christmas ornament. Let me know down in the comments section below, and we'll go from there. If you want one of the pistons, I'm not going to do anything with it. But yeah, so I'm just going to polish up that rod. We're going to measure for the new bearing clearance wise, measure for the pistons, order all new pistons, because I think most of the pistons I can order come in 6-packs. Same thing with the rings. So we'll just put all new pistons, all new rings, clean the cylinder bores. But that will be in a next video, because this one I just want to focus on cleaning up the bearing race. Well, my battery died, so anyways, gonna measure for this, order the bearings, order the pistons, order the piston rings. Gonna get new studs for the valve, for the heads, because it's always good to change out the bolts anyway. So, and then yeah, new valve covers, or at least one new valve cover. We'll see what they have out there. I kind of looked, they don't really have any fancy valve covers. Yeah, so whoever wants the pistons, if you do want them, let me know down below. We'll be in contact about that. And next video is going to be putting everything back together, cleaning it all up, and then the last video will probably be putting it all in. So anyways, I will catch you guys later.